Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to screenshot in Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first method is using a physical keys. You need to press volume down button and power button at a time. So I will press volume down and power. So it will take screenshot. So and the second method is, it's a very easy one. So you need to swipe down the three fingers on the screen. So it will also take a screenshot. And the third method is, you need to swipe down the quick panel. Now you can find the icon like scissor. You need to click on that. It will also take screenshot. So if you want to take scroll or a long screenshot, I will need to open supported pages. So I will open YouTube. Now it take screenshot normally. Then need to click scroll. Now the page is scrolling automatically. So you can click done when you finish. Then click allow. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.